My school routine. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share my school routine. Every morning, I wake up at 6:00 a.m. First, I brush my teeth, take a bath, and get dressed in my school uniform. Then, I eat a healthy breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I pack my school bag and check that I have all my books, notebooks, and homework. I leave home at 7:15 a.m. and reach school before the morning assembly. The school day begins with the morning prayer and the national anthem. After that, we go to our classrooms. My teachers teach different subjects like English, mathematics, science, social studies, and computer. I enjoy English class the most because I like learning new words and speaking in English. During the lunch break, I eat my lunch with my friends. We talk, laugh, and sometimes play games on the playground. It is my favorite part of the day. In the afternoon, we attend the remaining classes. Sometimes we have sports, art, or music periods. I enjoy participating in these activities because they help me learn new skills and stay active. School ends in the afternoon and I return home. After reaching home, I take some rest, have a snack, and complete my homework. In the evening, I spend some time reading English stories and practicing my English speaking. Then I have dinner with my family. Before going to bed, I prepare my school bag for the next day. I sleep early so that I can wake up fresh and ready for another school day. I love my school routine because it teaches me discipline, responsibility, and the importance of learning. Every day at school helps me become a better student and a better person. Thank you.